Hi, I'm Patsy Cadell, and it's my absolute pleasure to be here to introduce you to the versatility of Cadarra. Our amazing fashion brand is manufactured in sustainable luxe plant-based fabric which drapes without cling. We've been selling our fashion brand now for over 10 years to fashion-savvy customers of all ages and from petites to voluptuous. Cadarra is for every woman, for every stage of her life. The Cadarra customer is a discerning woman who wants to invest in sustainability by reducing fashion waste and at the same time gain confidence in achieving an ease in styling to suit her body shape and lifestyle. Cadarra is your fashion go-to, which will effortlessly take you stylishly from the beach to the ballet and every occasion in between. Available in 5 stunning colourways to suit and flatter every complexion. It's not what Cadarra is, it's what Cadarra does. It minimises styling stress, maximises styling options, downsizes your fashion wardrobe and simplifies your what-to-wear dilemma. Please remember, there is no right or wrong when styling Cadarra. It's one piece which, when complemented with accessories, will create infinite styles. The ideal travel wear outfit, Cadarra will enable you to travel for 2 days or over 2 weeks with just a cabin-sized bag of lightweight accessories. No more check-in hassles. We all have anxiety in our day-to-day. Cadarra will help take away any anxiety relating to your fashion choices. A valued customer once said, Cadarra is like a bra. Every woman should have one. And we totally agree. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to welcoming you into the fashion world of Cadarra. To find out more about Cadarra's fashion magic, please visit our website www.cadarra.com.au. Bye for now.